This video features about our project Design and Development of Telemedicine Based Healthcare Unit for Diabetic Disorder. Our objective of this project is to create a sophisticated system that facilitates diabetic patients for proper healthcare management. Telemedicine is a combination of communication and information technologies which monitors body parameters of a patient from their home and transmitted to doctor's locality using wireless communication. Now, let us see the system design of this project. Primarily, it begins with patient's unit where body sensor network is connected with PIC microcontroller. The data acquired from these sensors are transmitted to nursing unit via Zigbee transceivers. The nursing unit displays the parameters in a 16x4 LCD and performs an alarming algorithm to alert about patient's abnormal status. From this station, parameters are sent to doctor's unit via GSM modem. The doctor's unit is interfaced with computer for presenting data in a user-friendly manner with data logging. Now let us see the patient unit. Here we are measuring 4 parameters. They are body temperature, blood glucose, heart rate, and finally blood pressure. The patient unit has 2 SMPS. One is for powering microcontroller, LCD, blood pressure unit and temperature sensor. Another power supply gives 12 volts DC supply to blood glucose sensor and heart rate sensor. Now let us see about body sensor network. Initially it begins with temperature measurement. Here we are using negative temperature coefficient based thermistor which works under the principle of resistivity. This sensor works in the range of -40 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius under operating voltage of 5 volts DC supply. In NTC thermistors, the resistance varies exponentially due to change in body temperature. The sensor output is given to a voltage divider circuit and finally to a microcontroller for analog to digital conversion. The digital values are scaled to Fahrenheit temperature and displayed in an LCD. Blood glucose. Here we are using non-invasive technique for glucose measurement using NIR spectroscopy. The NIR transmitter transmits wavelength of 950 nanometer to target area, which is nothing but finger, is absorbed by the glucose contained in the blood serum and remaining light is reflected back. This reflected light is received by the photodiode in terms of millivolts is proportional to the glucose concentration. The output voltage is amplified and filtered using signal conditioning circuit and sent to microcontroller for analog to digital conversion with 10-bit resolution. The digital data is scaled to glucose concentration in terms of mg per dl and finally displayed in a LCD. Heart rate. The patient's heart rate is also measured using IR sensor based on absorption spectroscopy. The IR transmitter is kept at the top of the clip, has wavelength of 940 nanometer passed through the finger. When the blood flows with respect to the heart's pumping speed, IR radiation gets deflected. This deflected IR rays is received by the photodiode kept at the bottom side. The output voltage of photodiode is given to a multivibrator circuit to produce on-off pulse and finally given to a counter pin of the microcontroller. The microcontroller counts the heartbeat for 15 seconds and multiplied with 4 to display output in terms of beats per minute. Blood pressure. Here we are using oscillometric method to measure blood pressure. The cuff is inflated by a 6 volt DC pump and connected with a piezoresistive pressure sensor which measures cuff's internal pressure. The air is blown inside the cuff until it occludes the blood flow which causes internal arterial pulsation. The pressure sensor signal is given to microcontroller to check the maximum amplitude of the oscillometric signal, which is known as mean arterial pressure. From the mean arterial pressure, we can calculate systole and diastole values and displayed in an LCD. Nursing unit. Here we use PIC16F 877A microcontroller unit with SMPS designed for 5 volts DC supply. The Zigbee receiver is interfaced with microcontroller using MAX 232 UART port. The data received in the form of packet is separated and stored in the variables of relevant body parameters. It is now displayed in a 16x4 LCD and transmitted to GSM modem, which sends SMS to doctor's unit using AT commands. Simultaneously, the microcontroller checks the values of body parameters, and if any abnormality is found, it gives alarm to the people around the patient for taking necessary action. Doctor's unit. Here, GSM modem receives data from nursing station and sends to 8051 microcontroller via multiplexer. The microcontroller is programmed to display all parameters in a 20x4 LCD, and the GSM module is directly interfaced with PC using USB to serial converter. The data received in PC is presented using .NET. The advantage of using .NET is interfacing with SQL Server, which is used to create patient's database. The doctor can investigate about patient's status and can modify medication for better healthcare management.